Okay, it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I am hungry. I've not eaten today. And I've been out driving, making money. And baby is laying down for a minute. He is awake. I have a gorgeous half-foot long Public sub Italian. I'm adding olive oil and their red vinegar. And I have Aldi pub style seasoned pretzels right here. Whenever baby gets like whiny, I pull over and I feed him, okay? I fed him so many times and he has pooped twice since we've been gone. And since he's in a car seat, sitting down on his butt in a PJ onesie, guess what happens?
What?
It comes out. We have a blowout.
What does it say? The poop on the floor? Type it.
Poop comes out of his diaper, through his clothes, into the car seat, okay? And this is a new car seat.
I said, guys. I said.
And I had to clean him up twice. What?
Do this. Wee.
But
Play one with you.
I'm so happy the whole time I'm changing him. But it's okay. It's not his fault. I'm not mad. He has to poop anyway. Hold on, I have to go move the baby because he's moving a lot.